Marazon Adlaw, good day to all, especially to RFIC. My name is Jerry Enguito, currently working as draftsman in the municipality of Madrid. I am going to present a particular environmental issue that is happening in my municipality. Actually, only a small portion of land was involved, but the impact to the neighboring municipalities, including the municipality of Madrid, is really visible and devastating. The next is, what are the extent of the issue? What hopes do you have in greening your cities? The environmental issues that we have is the large-scale mining. Here is the crop image from Mines and Geosciences Bureau (MGB) Mining and Tenements Control Map. I decided to craft the Carcamatron area to make it large and visible, even though there is a proclamation number 1747 declaring as a watershed forest reserve, but still there was a presence of mining company. What are the extent of the issue? Number one is the deforestation and habitat destruction. Deforestation and habitat destruction is the number one problem to the extent. The photo shows that the soil was extracted and whatever land cover will be demolished. Next is the landslide and soil erosion. Landslide and soil erosion is happening every time there are heavy rains. Recently during Typhoon Basyang, the devastating landslide hits Madrid and most especially in the municipality of Lanosa. The next is the flash floods. The flash flood that was not happening before is very alarming and it's happening today. The water came from watersheds are flowing down to the rivers and streams that cause flash floods and creating damages to agriculture, infrastructure, and lifeline utilities. The next is the last one is the water pollutions. Pollutants from grease, oils, and other chemicals directly affect the quality of water. The protected areas once called is damaged. The chocolate colored water in the Bay Area causing disturbance to marine life. In return, fishermen need to travel far just to catch fish as their livelihood. What hopes do we have in greening your cities? Number one is tree planting. Number two is the mangrove planting. Mark Venture Mining and Development Corporation has expanded their operation to Municipality of Madrid boundary, and by that, as a penalty, DNR Administrative Order number 2 2010-11 on May 5, 2010, revised regulation governing forestry seeds and seedling production, collection, and disposition. Having said that, the mining company are giving thousands of plantation mix of forest trees, fruit trees, industrial crops, rubber trees, palms, rattan, and other economically perennial plants to the LGUs affected, including our municipality. The seedlings are given to the locals and they need to provide areas for plantation down to barangay level. It is closely monitored with compensation so that the plants are properly planted and growing. The same goes to mangroves. The seedling goes to the barangays near shoreline to help marine life recoveries and protection for future storm surge and tsunamis. The last one is the river and streams rehabilitation. The rivers and stream rehabilitation, I think this should be happening once the mining company will end up their operation. I know it will take time, but as long as their presence is there, rehabilitation campaign is useless. The rice and corn plantation near rivers and creeks helps land recovery. Rehabilitating a river means restoring its ecological health, water quality, natural flow while balancing community needs. I believe and still hope that our municipality will recover in more greener and resilient society in the future. It's just a matter of time and educating the youth that the resources should be maintained and preserved. Thank you.